Welcome to the Filmstock channel. I'm Veronica, and in today's video we will have a look at the best ways to celebrate Valentine's Day with your pets, and later on I'll show you how to make a cute little video to commemorate the occasion. So why do pets make the best Valentines? Well, they are the masters of unconditional love after all. They are there for us every single day, and they too deserve a day to be showered with love and affection. And even if you don't have a pet, you can volunteer at your local shelter for the day. Let me share with you 5 things you can do with your pets on Valentine's Day to make it special. Number 1, you could check out a pet-friendly cafe. A lot of chains now offer special treats for our furry friends, or you can simply make them something special at home. You can find plenty of amazing pet-friendly recipes on the internet. I'm sure your pets will appreciate the extra effort. Number 2, you can buy your pet a new toy. Everyone loves a present, even our pets. Number 3, try something new with your pet, like learning a new trick or trying out some fun activities. You could perhaps set up a scavenger hunt for your pet and hide treats for them around your home or their enclosure. Number 4, have a photo shoot. It's a great way to create some memories that you can share with friends and family, and also you can have them printed and hang them up on the wall. And number 5, watch a movie together. What's better than that? Now I will show you a quick tutorial on how to use the Wondershare video editor to make a cute little video just like this one. In this video, I'm using 3 different packs. First one is the Colorful Love Elements pack, which comes with 25 different elements. Next, I'm using the Speech Bubble Intro pack, which comes with 25 elements. And lastly, I'm using the Overlay Designing pack, which comes with 25 different overlays. So now let's jump into the Wondershare Filmora X video editor, and we'll start by learning how to add an overlay. I'm going to mute the music so that it doesn't get in our way, and we're going to start with this very first overlay right here, which are the sort of 2 boxes around the frame. So I'm going to delete this overlay by pressing delete on my keyboard, and then head over into the Effects tab, select the Overlay Designing pack, and now from here all you have to do is click and drag the overlay you want to use onto the timeline, and adjust the length of the overlay by dragging out the side so that it matches the footage underneath. So now let's have a look at how to add these cute little speech bubbles to our pets to see what they're saying. I'm going to get rid of the default title and the speech bubble so that we can create it again. I'm going to head over into the Elements tab, select the Speech Bubble Intro pack, and choose one of the speech bubbles from here. You simply have to click and drag the element you want to use onto the timeline, and you can drag the side to make it shorter if needed. So the speech bubbles don't come with text on them, you have to add it separately, but first let's resize the speech bubble. You can do this by simply double clicking on the speech bubble in the timeline, and you can either use this Transform tab right here to rotate, scale and position your speech bubble, or you can drag it around on the preview, which makes it a little bit easier, and you can use the sides to scale it down and the dot at the top to rotate it. So let's put it over our dog's head. Now to add the text, we're going to go over into the titles, go into the titles tab and type in default title. So this is pretty much the simplest form where you can just add text without any fancy animations, since we already have a speech bubble. So you want to click and drag the default title on top of your speech bubble. From here, you can double click on the title and of course change the text right here in the dialog box. So once you have your text, you can then change the font color. Let's make it blue. And you can then click and drag the title around your preview and fit it into the speech bubble. And also don't forget to change your font. Also, don't forget to change your font to match your speech bubble better. Lastly, what you want to do is animate your title So to do that, you can select the title on the timeline, go into the animation tab and choose one of these. So in this video, I'm using Vortex In just to make the title appear nicer in the video. And I'm also using Vortex Out so that we have a fancy animations at the end as well. And lastly, I'm going to show you how you can use the motion tracking feature in the Wondershare Filmora X video editor to track your pet and add some cute stickers around them. Let's work on the example here. So you can see that the hearts follow our puppy's face. So I'm going to get rid of everything that I have added so far so we can start from scratch. First of all, let's go into Elements tab, select the Colorful Elements pack and choose one of the stickers. So I'm using this one right here. Click and drag it onto your timeline on top of the clip that you want to add motion tracking to. You then want to double click on the element and resize it. So let's make it a little bit smaller and just roughly add it around where your pet is. So next we're going to click on the clip itself, move the arrow to the very first frame of that clip, select motion tracking, and then make sure that your pet's face is in this little box right here. You can click and drag the box onto your pet's face if it appears somewhere else. And now all you have to do is hit Start Tracking. So as you can see, the video editor is analyzing all the frames for your puppy's face. Once it's done, you'll have a selection box where you can choose which element you want tracked. So let's select the Colorful Love elements. And now you can see that the hearts are following a puppy's face. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope that you found it useful and it gave you some ideas on how to celebrate Valentine's Day with your pet. If you are interested in using any of the packs mentioned in this video, there will be links to them in the description below, so go ahead and check them out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Filmstock channel so that you never miss any of our future uploads. And again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys on the next one.